Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example 2 plus 3 multiplied 2 divided by 3 and divided by 6. So first of all, we simplify the numerator. In numerator, we first simplify the numerator. Okay, in numerator, first we simplify the numerator. Okay, and then find the LCM. Okay, and then we decide to solve the this whole with denominator. Okay, so let's go to solve this example. Okay, so 2 plus 3 multiplied 2 is 6 divided by 3 and divided by 6. Okay, and now divided by 6 is same here, and here we choose the 3 as the LCM. For example, here is 1, so 1 table on 3 is 3 times, so 3 multiplied 2, and plus here is 6. Why? Because 3 table, this 3 table on 3 is 1 time, and 1 multiplied 6 is 6. So now 3 multiplied 2 is 6 plus 6 divided by 3 and whole divided by 6. Now 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 3 and divided by 6. So now we can write it 12 divided by 3 multiply 6. This is the same. Okay, so now the 12 divided by 18. 12 divided by 18, when we simplify the 6 table on 2 time on 12 and 3 time on 18. So when we simplify the 2 over 3, and we will get the answer, 0.667. This is the final answer of this question. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.